dick!
Shut up. Shut up. Only for David. David, do me a favor. I'm busy. David, she's thirsty. Can you give her some water, David? You can't give her water?
God, come on, Anna, you want some tea?
No, you need to rinse the bottle out. Open the
And give
bottle.
her water.
Thought you want some Germans.